Hello friends, welcome to ASP.NET tutorial. In this video, we will learn about hyperlink control and target window. The hyperlink control is used to display links. That's the use of hyperlink control. Using that link, user can navigate to a different page from current page. We already saw about the link button control in one of our previous video. So it will submit the data to the server. So link button is different from hyperlink control. But hyperlink control is just for the page navigation purpose. It will not submit any data. This is just to navigate from one page to another page. Some of the frequently used properties are text. So using this property, you can display the hyperlink text. Target tells where to open the navigated link. If we say underscore blank, the page will be opened in a new tab. Navigate URL. So this is the destination page to navigate. Here you can provide any HTTP or HTTPS link. So you can specify a specific portion of document to navigate using the navigate URL. You can specify the HTML document to navigate or HTTP location to navigate. Image URL, so that's also a property. Using this property, we can specify image instead of HTML document. Now let's go to the demo and use the hyperlink control. So here we are in Paintbrush. First we will create an image for this example. Here we will type Google. So that's all. We will save it to some temporary location. Visual Studio, and here we will create a new folder. Add new folder. ASP.NET folder, it contains some predefined folder location. We will create our custom folder and we'll name it as images. And from our temp2 location, we will drag and drop this Google image to this image's location. And we will create a new web form. BC09 HyperLink Control example. So from toolbox, we will drop the HyperLink control. Simply drag and drop the control. Go to properties. Text, we will give it as go to Google. In the navigate URL, we will type https google.co.in. So to specify web address, we can even prefix that with www. Right, I will hit enter. Now if you go to the source view, you can see the control. Let's leave the default ID hyperlink1 run at server, and we set the navigate URL, and text what we gave is go to Google, and here we are closing the hyperlink control. Save it and just run once. Before that, we will collapse the toolbox. So here it displays the hyperlink control, and when you click here, the page will get navigated to Google. Now let's go to the image URL property. You can select this way, or you can go to design and select the control. Always read the control name is displayed properly here. Now we will click on image URL and click this ellipsis button, and you can see the folder which we created. Click on this and pick the google.png. Now you can see how the hyperlink is changed. Let's click save all, rebuild the solution, and start the sample. Here now the hyperlink control is showing the image instead of the link text, and when you click here, you will navigate to the Google. Now we will click the control again, hyperlink control, and we will check the target, and there are multiple targets available. Here we will be choosing the blank so that we will see a new tab get opened. So when I click here, the page will not be disturbed, but the Google will be opened in a new page. And if you see, it opened a new tab, and in that tab you can see the navigate URL is visited. Right. That's all about the hyperlink control. Thank you for watching. Bye.